Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm planning to talk to you about a few companies that you might not have heard of that offer great perks such as working remotely, getting paid really well, and the most important thing that I really like about these companies is offering unlimited vacations. Yes, this thing, unlimited vacations, actually exists. So yeah, I'm planning in this video, and hopefully I might need to divide it into different parts, but I'll try to cover as much as possible about each company so that you would get well informed about everything they offer. But yeah, if the video or the podcast ends up becoming really long, I'll just divide it into different parts. But make sure to check out each and every one of those companies. You never know, maybe you could join one of these companies and end up having unlimited vacations as one of the perks. For those of you who are new on this channel is all about how to make money from home, how to make money remotely. There are tons and tons of methods that I talk about in my podcasts and in my videos. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. Everything here is for free. We don't ask you for any money or to enroll in any courses or anything like that. And now let's start with our first company pick for today. And for the first pick, I actually chose a company called Zapier. Zapier.com. I'm going to leave the link in the comments section. Sorry, in the description section, so that you can go visit the company and check it out yourself. And this company claims on their website, as soon as you go and look for the job openings area on the website, it says join us from anywhere. So they accept people from any country, anywhere, wherever you are. You can join Zapier.com. And it's basically a company that helps with automation. You can read more about it on the website. But what I want to go through is a few things here. First of all, how they work. They claim freedom and flexibility. So they spread across 17 time zones in different countries. They have certain tools that they teach you how to use after you join them that help you do your job from wherever you are. You don't have to be in an office, for example, or at the headquarters at the company itself. They communicate electronically, so everything seems to be really easy, and it's all mentioned on their website. They accept diversity. They like problem solving, that's basically what the company is all about, to problem solve problems that clients face in terms of or in regards to automation. Yeah, you can basically work remotely, and it says on the website that most of the jobs are actually remote jobs, and they have some guides on how to work remotely if you have never done that before. Basically, you will end up working from home, and all you need is a computer or a laptop. You can create your own remote office inside in your home, in your house, or in wherever you live, or wherever you go. Even if you work from a coffee shop, like if I'm working from Starbucks, I can create my own remote area where I do my job, the task that I'm required to do. So they have complete guides on their websites about that, in case you want to learn more about it. But yeah, most importantly, the benefits and perks, and it's also mentioned on their websites. So some of the benefits that they offer at Zapier.com is to work from anywhere, competitive salary and bonuses. You get bonuses on top of your salary too. Unlimited vacation policy. So it's actually a policy, and they mention on their website that most of the staff take up to 5 weeks a year of vacation or prefer to take up to 5 weeks a year of vacation, and the minimum you should take that they ask you to take is 2 weeks of vacation per year. So that's the minimum. So you have to go on as many leaves as you need, but the minimum is 14 days a year. I'm sorry. They also offer great healthcare, dental, and vision coverage, which is awesome. I think that's amazing. Like, some companies don't even offer dental or vision coverage, but they're offering everything. They offer a retirement plan with company match, which is also great. They offer stock options for every Zapian or every employee at Zapier. So if you want to trade the stock market, they offer some stock options, which is great. They offer 2 annual company retreats to awesome places too. A lot of companies don't do that, so this is actually great that they're doing it. For new parents, if you're a new parent, they offer you 14 weeks of paid leave. Okay? Many companies don't offer that, so don't take it for granted. 14 weeks of paid leave if you are a new parent. They also offer you a home office setup stipend. So they give you some money and tell you, hey, here's the money, go and create an office wherever you live. This is where you're going to be working at. So they give you the money to create the office. They offer professional development allowances. So if you want to advance your career, if you want to go for courses, they offer you some allowance that helps you attend these courses and take this extra education, whatever it is. And they also have a carrot fertility benefit, but they mentioned something that is not available in all countries, so you might want to look into that if that's something that interests you. How they hire people, they mentioned that they have a non-standard application process. They ask you to answer a few questions in an online form that directly address your qualifications for the role that you're applying for. And then the hiring team reviews the applications based on a job-specific rubric, and their interview process varies depending on what job you're applying for. And if you're applying through a recruiter, they will share the rest of the interview process with you in detail on a video call. But that's pretty much it. A sample of the jobs they have right now, like if you go on Zapier.com right now today and check their job openings, you'll find a massive number of jobs that they're hiring for. And it starts with accounting and finance. They're offering a manager of accounting. They're offering a general interest form, future accounting and finance roles, so many of them. They're also offering business operations jobs, engineering jobs, if you're an engineer, executive jobs, designers. They are looking for designers, data scientists. They're offering legal jobs to you if you are legal, marketing jobs if you are into marketing. They're offering also recruiter jobs. So if you want to become a recruiter, or that's your expertise, they're offering jobs for recruiters, for talent sourcers, to look for talents. They're offering product manager jobs, video specialist jobs, general video specialist jobs, research and development jobs. They also have some sales jobs if you are a sales representative. I'm pretty sure that wouldn't be a in-person job. You still have to do sales through the phone maybe. And finally, they have some support jobs. So if you are into support systems, or you're a support system engineer, for example, or a support analyst, they have many support jobs as well. So I think, in my opinion, this company is one of the best companies that offer working remotely and many benefits, including unlimited vacations. So if that's something you're looking for, I advise you to go take a look at Zapier.com. Check the website out, check their services, what they offer, and just apply for the job. This is actually awesome. And yeah, I think I'm going to talk about the other company in my next podcast, because it's been 10 minutes already. I don't want this to feel so boring. But yeah, stay tuned for part two and another company that offers unlimited vacations and so many other benefits. Thank you for watching and listening to my podcast today. I'll see you in the next podcast.